Okay. Right, next. Yes. So up to we have seen that open and close, no? Posting period variant. /n FBN FBN1.
Oh.
That is creation of number range. Go to the T code. /n FB. B for boy. F for father. B for boy. N for net. 1. Enter. Give the company code. What is our company code? SOF1, no? Click on interval button, middle button. Put our number range is 01, no? Put the year 2022. 01. All zeros. No. In from number 01 all zeros. All zeros. No, continue. 01 all zeros. Don't put space. Put all zeros up to end. Next two numbers 01 all nines.
9.
01.
Okay.
All nines.
Nice. Okay.
Like that. This is the structure. Save.
Okay.
Means whenever you are posting any GL entry, no, the number will pick from this number range. Okay, means for 1 year only this one. See, for 2022 we have set up this number. Another next year come means we need to set up for another year. Like that, every year we need to set up the number ranges. Okay. Next step. Posting keys. Posting keys. Posting keys. Posting keys. Right. That posting keys means nothing but debit and credit. Debit and credit. Here in SAP, we will follow some numbers for debit entries and credit entries. Okay. For GL posting, the debit is 40 and credit is 50. For GL posting, the number debit is 40 and credit is 50. If you want, you can go and check in OB41. That is the T code for posting keys. /n OB41. See, if you see here, some standard posting keys are there in SAP. If you go down, when you see 40, 50 will be there. Little up. Check where is 40, 50. See, if you see top 40, 50 is there. See.
Mm-hmm.
40 is debit entry, 50 is credit entry for
It's
GL
very tempting.
posting. Okay.
Cheap posting.
This is the standard.
So,
See, these you need to remember. See, for GL posting, one simply one heading you write. See, for GL postings, account type is yes.
postings.
Account type is equal to yes. Account type is equal to
Yes.
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 Next, document type is equal to SA. Document type is equal to
Yes. Yeah.
SA. Number range is equal to 01. Number range is equal to
01.
uh, next. Posting keys is equal to 40 debit to 50 credit. Posting keys is equal to 40 debit to 50
Yeah.
credit. These are all are for GL accounts, for GL postings. Okay, account type is yes, document type is SA, number range is 01, and posting keys are 40 debit to 50 credit. GL entries means like rent paid, salary paid, stationary expenses, like local internal entries, local. You can connect through phone, no, it will come.
My Tuesday I connected to phone only because I didn't open the door, but it is also not properly connected. So today
Oh, okay. Right. Field status variant
Mm.
slash and OBC4. First, we will create one field status variant. Okay, then I will explain how to create. Means select any one 001 is there now. You select that one. Third one.
This one, right?
Third one.
Okay.
Corner.
So this
Corner
one.
you select. Corner you select.
Okay.
Click on copy as top. Not that one. Remove that one. Field status variant name 001. Give your name something. Your company soft SOF V something you give.
This one. Okay.
Anything you give your wish. Give some name.
Yeah.
Here you give field status for soft.
Next one.
Description you can write anything. Field status soft anything for your company.
Okay.
Enter.
So
Same
already
key.
this one.
Change the name. SOF double F you put. You remove V and put F. Enter. copy all. General tab, something are there.
Yes.
Click any
Yes.
tab. Click any tab.
Yes. This one.
Anything one you click. Double click.
Okay. Okay.
Here if you see means okay, here 3 status are there: suppress, required, optional. This is the field status variant. Okay, for example, based upon the requirement, we will change the status of the column. See, beside columns are there, no text. These are all the columns. Okay, if they required that column, required means we need to put in required. Okay, if you put in optional means if they require the optional means we need to put in optional. See, for example, text
an
is
optional one. Okay.
text is required. No, put it in optional. For example,
Okay.
like that we can change the status. See, what is this required means? Required is mandatory. Required means okay.
Okay.
Optional means maybe, may not be.
Okay. Got it.
Suppress means hide. Hide.
Suppress.
Hide.
Okay.
Hide means
Okay.
we cannot see the column. We cannot see the column in the application.
Okay.
See, whenever you are filling any form, no online form, some star mark will be there. No, did you remember some star like that in
It is. Yeah, it is mandatory.
like that in SAP also? If you required the column mandatory means we can put mandatory. If they required column optional means we can put it in optional. If we want to remove that column means we can remove that column. Okay, suppress means removing. Required means mandatory. Optional means column will be there. We can give or not give. No problem. Okay, like that, if you go back, many tabs are there. Based upon the requirement, we will go to particular tab and we will change the status of the column. If you go back, see in every column tabs, some things will be there. Go back. Like that. Okay. Next step, assign this field status to company code. But you need to set up internet. By internet, very problem is there in your home. Why? Because if internet good only we can do. Why? Because now configuration, no entries time we need the internet good. Your voice also breaking.
Let me fix it.
That's why. Next.
It is automatically disconnecting.
Disconnecting. Voice also not coming. Your sometimes your voice breaking to me. Any problem is there in internet? Your see, if you see the columns, many tabs are there. See. Okay.
Yes.
Next step, assign this field status variant to company code in OBC5. Assign
Field
status variant to company code /n OBC5. slash and OBC5.
Yeah, it's okay.
Emma,
Company code.
I
Yeah, it is
cannot,
okay.
position.
Okay.
Give your company code. SOF1, no?
Mm.
For me, it is coming very slow.
It's good.
Give your field status variant. SOFF, no? Company code SOF1.
Can you just
Your screen stopped to me. Your screen struck.
It's very slow for the oxygen.
I cannot see your screen.
I saved it.
Share another time. Ah, no, no, okay. Now,